So today I'm going to create a new class. The class name is, guys, are you completed yesterday's task? Guys, please complete that day task on that day only. Okay, then only you can easy to understand the next classes. Okay, so here I'm creating the class. Class is working with radio buttons, working with radio buttons, and then finish. So you can see, sorry, and then close. So guys, you can check here what I done here. So you can see, so it will launch the URL of the page. It will launch the URL of the page. Is it correct? Hello guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, exactly what the code will do?
It will
It will
launch the
open the
page.
demo.
Yes, it will launch
page.
this one. Okay. So and after that, I am asking driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. What it will happen?
The web page will
Maximizes the window, sir.
Yes. So it will maximize the window. Fine. Okay, so then when I can run this program, okay. So yesterday already we are handled this text box and this text box and this text box. Okay, so today we are going to handle the radio button. So how we can handle the radio button? Okay, before that, I need to know how many radio buttons are present in the page. Okay, how many radio buttons are present inside the page?
3, sir.
6.
6.
3. Okay, manually we know. How we, yes, how we know automatically means you can see right click and then inspect. Guys, observe clearly. Guys, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, so we need to right click and then inspect, then okay. So here I required a 3 radio buttons. I required a 3 radio buttons here. Okay, so I'm clicking here. So what is the thing I got here? Class equals to what I got here, class equals to hello guys, is my screen visible or not?
Yes, sir. Now visible, sir.
So what you are getting here, div class equals to
Class equals to form. Is showing that.
Call hyphen md9 something. So double click on it. Control C, Control F. Okay, total 8 matches are there. Okay. So guys, after the XPath, we can discuss it one. Okay,
Sir,
now
can
I
you
need to
show
click
it
on this.
again?
Sorry.
Can you show it again? The screen stuck.
Screen
సార్
stuck
స్ట్రీమ్
చేస్తా
స్ట్రక్
ఉంది.
అవుతుంది ఓకే
మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్ సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్
Hello.
Yes, sir.
సార్ మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్ ఒకసారి
Internet issue. No? ఒక సెకండ్, ఇది ఇంటర్నెట్ రావడం లేదు, ఒకసారి వెయిట్ చేయండి. Okay guys, now is my screen visible?
ఎస్
Yeah, okay, fine. So okay guys, now so after we can discuss that find elements. Okay, first I need to inspect the particularly this mail. Okay, so I am getting a what I am getting exactly here, custom control. Hello guys.
Custom control, custom
Your
video,
custom control
program.
program.
So actually we all are know how to inspect. Right click on that particular element and we can go for that thing. Now Control C and Control F and Control V. What is the mean by Control F?
Fine.
We can find the find box. You can see 1, 2, 3. Three elements are present. How many elements are present totally?
3 elements
3 elements.
3 elements are present. Okay. Now Control A, Control C. Okay, but here I got 3 elements, but I need to click on which element?
mail
Mail.
Mail. I need to click on mail. Okay. So in this scenario, what I need to do means I can go with the another locator xpath. What is the locator name?
spot
Okay. So I required a one element, but it was matching by how many elements?
3
3 elements.
3 elements. Now xpath. Okay. So we required a xpath. So what is the xpath means? Xpath is a XML path. XPath is a XML path which is coming from XML language. XML language and XPath is one of the selenium locator as well. Selenium locator which is using to find the elements. Okay. Now XPath follows separate syntax. What is the meaning of syntax?
Usage of XPath in programs.
Okay. XPath is nothing but a formula type. XPath is nothing but a formula type. Now you can see current node, tag name, open, @ attribute equals to single inverted comma attribute value and close. Here double slash means current node. Double slash means current node. And then @ means get attribute. @ means get attribute. Okay. Tag name is nothing but a HTML tag. Tag name is tag. Okay. So what is the syntax? Current node, tag name, open @ attribute value. Now you can see, come to the page. Guys, what is the locator name?
XPath.
XPath. Now, how I can make it as a XPath? There is already attribute value. Which one's attribute value it is?
Gender.
Radio button.
Okay, so this is the class. Class is the attribute, div is the tag name, class is the attribute, this custom control is the class attributes value. Class attributes value. Okay. Now come here, guys, observe clearly. Current node, double slash means current node, and what is the tag name of this box? Guys, when we can inspect, we will get some separate box. This is the div. What is the tag name? Div. You can see div, and open the brace @ attribute equals to single inverted comma, and then close the single inverted comma, and then close the XPath. Okay. Okay, guys. Now we are getting how many matches? Okay. In this location, there is a 3 elements. You can see. I am clicking here. Enter. 1, 2, 3. How many elements? 1, 2, 3. Now, here the note is if XPath contains more matches, like multi matches, then close the XPath, and open brace. You can give the index value. Okay. Now, guys, you can see, observe this page clearly. Now I'm going to the page. So how many matches are there?
3 matches.
3 matches. Now, 1. What is the male element?
Control. Custom.
First one. So what we need to do means, first we need to close the whole XPath. You can see here I'm closing the whole XPath and open brace. What is the element number? 1. How many matches are there? You can see 1 of
1.
1 of 1. Now click on Control A and Control C. What is mean by Control A and Control C? Select all and copy. So I am selected this XPath and copied. Now minimize the code. Now you can see. Now after opening this page and maximize, now I am saying driver dot find element by dot XPath inside the double quotes, Control V dot click. Guys, I told that how many syntaxes are there to handle the web element? 2. One is directly we can access. Second one is we can create an object and we can access. You can say I'm saying inside the page, find the element, that male element. After finding, what you need to do?
The matches.
Yes, fine. When I can run this program, it was open the page and it was maximized. Guys, what was happening?
Field is checked.
It was clicked on the mail. Are we successfully executed? Yes.
Yes,
Okay. So before that, okay, come to the same locators. If I cannot give this close braces, if I cannot give this, how many elements are there?
Three.
If I am releasing the close braces, how many matches are there?
Three.
1 of 3.
1 of 3. It means 3 matches are there. Now what I need to do means you can see.
సార్ కొంచెం తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్పరా?
ఓకే. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే నేను రాసింది సెలీనియంలో కొన్ని లొకేటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అందులో నేను తీసుకున్న లొకేటర్ ఏంటంటే ఎక్స్పాత్ అనే ఒక లొకేటర్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఆ ఎక్స్పాత్ అనే లొకేటర్ ని అచీవ్ చేయాలంటే నాకు ఏం కావాలంటే సింటాక్స్ కావాలి. సో దీన్ని మనం తెలుసుకోవాలి. అసలు ట్యాగ్ నేమ్ అంటే ఏంటని తెలిసి ఉండాలి. స్టార్టింగ్ లో చెప్పిన ట్యాగ్ నేమ్ అంటే స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఉన్నది అట్రిబ్యూట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వాల్యూ అని ఉంటాయి. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి నేను దీన్ని ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ నేను ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ ని ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తే నాకు ఈ పేజ్ వచ్చింది. ఈ పేజ్ లో ఈ బాక్స్ సపరేట్ అయింది. నేను క్లాస్ అట్రిబ్యూట్ వాల్యూ తీసుకొని ఈ ఎక్స్పాత్ సింటాక్స్ రాస్తే ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ఈ లొకేషన్ ఎన్ని మ్యాచెస్ ఉన్నాయి ఈ లొకేషన్ తో?
3 matches.
3 matches ఉన్నాయి. Okay. Now here coming to the program, here my question is how many radio buttons in gender option. Now, okay, how many radio buttons? Radio button is a web element. Guys, is radio button is a web element?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
how can we find multiple web elements in a page?
Find elements.
Find elements.
Using the find elements method. Using the find elements method. Now you can see list of web element, list of web element. You can see radio buttons equals to driver dot find elements. Here also same syntax. What is the locator name now?
Extract.
X path. Okay, now inside the double quotes, control V and then semicolon. Okay, so now radio buttons means it was capturing how many elements?
3.
3 elements.
Okay, now I need to find the size. How I can find size? What is the method to find the size?
Radio
Radio
buttons dot size.
dot size.
We have a radio buttons dot
Size method.
or the method size. Okay, so directly you can give a printing statement or you can go through the return type also, no problem. Now inside the double quotes I am saying that the radio buttons count is equals to plus radio buttons dot size. Now control yes. When I can click on the run, Okay, after that, after printing the size, I'm saying that if I can say click on male, what it will happen? Okay, so after clicking the male, I need to click on the female. What I need to do? So here this XPath will getting 3 matches. So to find this female, what I need to do here?
We need to use 2, sir.
We need
At
to
last.
close that one and
We
we
need
need
to
to view one.
close the yes, first we need to close the whole XPath and open, give the index value 2 and then close. Now click on Control A and Control C, copy, then minimize the code. Then here I'm saying click on female, then driver dot find element by dot XPath, inside the double quotes Control V, and I'm saying dot. What's the command we need to use for radio buttons?
Click.
Click. Okay, so guys, now you can see Control yes. Okay, now in between I'm giving a 3 seconds. What is the code for waiting for 3 seconds?
Red dot sleep.
We need to use sleep method. In under we need to get a 3000. So already we handled this exception. That's why already there is through exception. Now Control yes. When I can run this program, first it should be open the page. Maximize and click on the mail. After 3 seconds, it was clicked on the
Female.